Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can design a t-shirt in Canva, and it will be a complete beginner friendly video, and I will try my best to describe or break down each and every process in this video. So without any further ado, let's dive into the main topic. So here, as you can see, we are already landed in Canva platform, and as you know that Canva is a platform where we can design anything from scratch, or we can use template for our product or our work. So here, if you're new in Canva, or if you heard this word first in your life, then I will tell you how you can create a Canva account. So you just, whenever you will come on this platform, this kind of an interface you will get, then you just need to be click on this start design. Once you click over here, then they will give you the options to continue with Google or continue with email. So I will select the simple one, that is continue with Google. Once I click over here, then the procedure is really simple. I hope you can do it. Then once you complete whole procedure, then it will redirect you to this page where you can easily do your work. As you can see, we already did some works. That's why it in the section of recent design we are getting some designs. So now I will start a design of a t-shirt from sketch. So that for reason I will search for t-shirt here, and then you will get suggestion over that place. Here you can see t-shirt template, t-shirt order form, then t-shirt design, and search for t-shirt. So I will click over that place and let's hit the enter button, and you can see we already get couple of template on our sections. So here I will click on create blank options. Once I click over here, then the size has been, the layout will be complete and come to us, and in this layout we can design our t-shirt design from scratch. So how we can do it? So let's go and let's click on this element. So from that place I will design a t-shirt. That's why I will search for Newton, and let's hit enter, and here we are getting Isaac Newton picture. So I have a plan, so I will do work from that place. So here, as you can see, this one, let's use this image and let's use Isaac Newton. So I will click on Isaac Newton, and I will increase the size of this Isaac Newton image, and I will try to make a design above this one. Let's remove this one, and he will be our main character. So here I will copy some other elements, and I will to place it beside the Newton into the above to the head. And let's go select this apple. Okay, this way. Then I will select another thing, like there is a couple of options we are getting. So I will change it, and circle, I will place a circle on his head, and try to make it, and let's change it the color. It will be black. Black is not looks nice, so I will make it white or similar white, and let's add some image, or we can add couple of other elements. So let's go and let's try to add some butterfly. Here, as you can see, this is the butterfly we had, so I will place it in that place, and let's find out something more. Okay, so you just need to do what kind of a design you want. You just need to find out your elements to make your design perfect. I hope you understand what I am really meaning and what is my motive. So as you can see it, let's see all, let's find out some designs which I think it will be good for our design. So let's increase this size and let's place it here and make sure the position will be beside the Newton, and let's search element that will be light, and let's try to find out a light. This one I will place it here. Let's make the position backward and let's increase the size. Sky, let's search for sky. I'm making a design from sketch, that's why it's taking few times. So if you want to use the pre-built template, you are allowed to do it, so don't take it difficulty. It is very easy. You just need to understand how really it works. It's totally depend on you. Design is totally depend on your idea and on your plan. So here you can see that our design. Let's add another thing, that will be a red velvet. Let's search for Bangladesh and let's find out which one. I think, yeah, this may be a good choice. I will place it here and then make it the position backward. Yeah, it looks nice. Now I will place some other thing in here, that will be United States, and let's hit enter, and I will choose this one and I will place it here. And let's make the position backward similarly, and I will reduce the transparency to this one. Okay, as you can see, let's make the position backward. Okay, I think this one will be good, and let's increase the size. Let's increase the size furthermore. Yeah, now it looks nice. So let's download this one. Let's try to download it and let's click on download. Once I download it, it will take a while to download, so we need to wait a bit. And as you can see, our download has been done. Now I will search for Printify, where we can generate print on demand products. So as you can see, and it will take a while to download, and I will select this one. Once it's done, then here I will upload my design. Just click on my device, and here you can see this is our design. So I will paste it in that place. So as you can see it, that our image will be uploaded here. It will take a while, so keep patience and wait a bit. Now here you can see that the design, and let's place it here by increasing the size. Like, we just need to fix all things. Let's increase size perfectly. Let's place it, and now you can see this is our design and it looks amazing. Let's click on preview, and once you click over the preview, then you will get the final result of your work. Now you can see that it looks really nice and the design was really amazing. Let's click on person 2, where we are able to see the realistic people wearing our t-shirt. So let's see it. So here you can see it looks really amazing, and it is really awesome. So I hope you understand how you can design a t-shirt. And always remember a thing, that is, whenever you download an image, you just need to click on share, and you just need to make sure that your file type will be PNG. So I hope you understand how easy the process was. If you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video.